Hello everybody, my name is Martian and welcome to Cat Mario HD. Let's just get in. I don't know what the hell the story is, if there is one. Also, okay. Excuse me? I've played some of this, so I kinda know how to do it. Anything past this, though, this level, I have no clue. And it's still been a while, so I forget some things. Why did you not want to... Okay. At least I know how to do this. Wow. Okay. See, I'm doing great. Ah! Okay, I suck. That wasn't even the trick that got me. Hold on. I'll be back. Okay, now the screen won't move as much. Whoa! No! My sucking at Mario games plus this does not equal good. I'm pretty sure that was Dr. Derp in the background, but I'm not entirely sure. Wait! Forgot about that. You can't forget anything in this game. If you do, you die. Whoa, okay. Game? Tablet? What? Ah! Okay. I'm fine. Everything's okay. Everything's A. Oh. Everything's fine! Did I activate you already? Ah, the game is lagging and that's not helping. Ah! This is just me right now, sucking. This isn't even the game anymore, it's just... Woo-wee! This is a fun time, isn't it, guys? Calm down. Nothing to set over. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. See, we're doing grand. What? Okay. I'm scared. I don't know what's safe anymore. Yes, hallelujah that crap up. Okay. Game! I'm 3 minutes in, and I've gotten 1 checkpoint. Okay. Wait, no! Goody fun time! Hot as balls right now, which is not helping my scenario at all. Okay. Ooh, try to trick me, are ya? Ha! Yay! What? Okay, I got it. Excuse me? I have to jump over the flag? Really? Do I have to do that? Wow! Game. Activate you. I jumped! You saw that button activate. No! I know that was there and it... Why are you not responding? Okay. I'm not God, I promise. I'd be a very sadist God, wouldn't I? I would banish this. I'd banish the human race after somebody made this hell of a game. Hit! No! I'm dead. I'm dead. I get it! Okay. So after a multitude of failures, I'm here again! Oh, no! I get it. Alright. I'm back. My hands are sweaty. Everything is sweaty. I know, I lost. I know. Yay. Okay. Again. I got one issue covered. I jumped when you wanted me to jump. Why won't you love me? I'm sick of you, game. FUBBERNUCK! Ah. Okay. I got it. I got it. Yeah. No. So far. So close. So far. Ah. Ah, no. Yeah, get screwed by that pole. I bet it feels great. Oh! I was so close! Okay. Doing great. Why? The game reset on me. My tablet spazzed, and the game reset. So you get to watch me do it again, because if I'm gonna suffer, so are you. I'm sorry. I'll be back. Again. Yes! Oh! I did it! Yes! Okay. That was weird. Okay, there we go. Wait, what, hey, whoa! Whoa! Buddy. So I have to, like... Can I... No? I don't trust anything. Can I get in? Can't. Does he have a semicolon tattoo? What did I... I can't... What? Yeah, okay, well, I suck at this game, and I completed the first level. You saw me! So I'm gonna end this episode here, guys. Thank you all for watching.